Hi kids!
Hi kids.
It's Baba's birthday, so we're at what stuff?
Bird paradise. Gede.
No volunteers needed. What is this? What is this?
Unfortunate. Your mother wanted to volunteer.
So we're sitting near this thing because it's a flight path. One second. Press that. Again, why am I so into you?
You're intimate.
Hi, pretty little thing.
Can you speak English?
You're breathing quite hard though. Is it because of the weather?
One action.
Hi kids, it's your mommy.
Very pretty. Look at that Hannah. Wow.
I have to run. I never wear shoes. So I cannot volunteer.
She should have worn shoe, then she can volunteer just now. Now she's angry because she couldn't volunteer.
Look what I'm saying.
Because she was with us.
Okay guys, okay kids. Baba's armpits smell so yummy. Ooh!
There's mist coming out.
Oh yeah, at least to hydrate the thing. Show me your 10 line. I don't know. What about me?
Oh, I think I should have 10 lines.
Oh no! We just reached from Mandai. How was the experience?
So many different species of birds. Very interesting. The mother here wanted to volunteer, but then
The first time it was the show. Second one, they weren't taking volunteers.
unfortunate.
But like the predator.
Like the myna, the worst predator. Selfish.
Oh, that's my man. Yum yum. Screw. Hey.